Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use fonts in components in WebDigital. And we're going to be doing that by replicating an animation similar to this one, which is done with Decor Var font, which is a variable font that allows you to animate these things. So in order to get started, let's just search for this font, download it, and then upload it. This is an open source font. So everybody can use it. So I'm just going to be downloading it over here. And then, so in order to get started, we need to have a component. So let's call this grow. And yeah, so now we can actually add the font over here. Let's call this Decobar. And all right, so now we actually have the font. And you can see here we need a heading called heading with a text called grow. So let's just add that, and we're gonna call this grow. All right, and we want to make this centered, probably a little bit bigger than this, and the weight should be normal. All right. And let's add a little text shadow, just to add a little bit of niceties to it. All right. So now we have a basic text with shadow background. So now what we want to do is we want to animate it like this, right? In order to do that, we need to have a CSS module. So let's add a CSS module. And here we're going to be adding a keyframe called grow. And at the beginning of this keyframe, we're going to be using Decovar. Inline is going to be about 500, and warm skeleton is going to be about 1,000. And then with the 100, when the animation is completed, it's still going to be Decovar, and the inline is going to be 500, but the warm skeleton is going to be down to 1. All right. So that's basically going to be, the warm skeleton is going to be animating between 1 and 1,000. All right. So now that we have it over here, let's go to our heading and use that animation over here in keyframe animations. And yeah, so it kind of worked, but then it iterated once. So because we have iterations 1 here, we want to do infinite. And this is kind of working as well, but it's it needs, the direction is like the unit direction. So we want to do alternate. So once it reaches the end, then it reverse animates. So now this is a little bit better, but we probably want to do it a little bit longer animation. And yeah, so now this seems to be working fine. All right, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.